Hello everyone, I am so excited. Today I'm going to open door number 1. So I don't know, I guess I just pull it up. There's a little tab here. I have kind of long nails, so maybe that's just my own fault. But oh, I see a die. Oh, a mailbox. Okay. Are you as excited as I am? Are you opening your advent calendar with me? That would be so fun. Hopefully you are. Okay. Oh, it even has the number on there. Okay. Let's open it up and see. So I think I got everything out. Let's just double check. Yes. Okay. Oh, okay. Just gonna move it off to the side here and see what we have. So we have a little letter, a mailbox. This reminds me of the mailbox that we had a couple months ago, but this one is tiny and cute. This one says for you, so we can put that right on there. And this must be for the door to open. That would be kind of cute. Let's arrange that. This goes on the back. That makes sense. And then that would be the little handle to open it up. So there's the handle, a little heart, and then a little letter. Oh, how sweet. So it looks like they have numbered this off. So this die is called S1-103W1. So I might have to make a little project with this. This is my first day of my advent calendar series, so I'm not sure quite how my projects are going to come along because I have no idea what's in the kit. Or I guess not the kit, what's in the advent calendar. So maybe after a few days, I will take some of the products and make a project as we go. But for today, this is it, day 1, my beautiful little die of my mailbox. So thanks for watching. Come on back tomorrow for day number 2.